Hi, my name is Chi-Mei Lin. I'm the CEO of the Chinese Community Center. I've been with the center for 20 years. First, we started as a United Way agency in 1991, and now we are, one of the founding or the very beginning groups of the Bright Beginning Centers from 2002. So it's quite a journey of love. It is very special and very unique for Chinese Community Centers, Early Learning Center, to join the Bright Beginning. Because as we know, Houston is such a diverse city, and Chinese Community Center childcare program is located in a very diverse neighborhood. We serve predominantly immigrant families and newcomers, and being in the heart of Chinatown, we serve families, they have working parents. They didn't have the opportunity even to be aware how important quality childcare meant. And especially in early years, because that could be the sole greatest difference between success and failure later on for their children's life. And we are very lucky and privileged with the coaching of the Bright Beginning. We sought the NAEYC accreditation and successfully become accredited in 2010. So over the past 10 years, we have recertified twice, and we have served over 1,000 families that we saw their children blossom in the program. We started with the classroom setting. The Bright Beginning helped us set up age-appropriate classroom with furniture appropriate to their age and with the teaching and learning material. They all have developmental goals, and our teacher, through the training, we are very confidently thinking our staff was able to spend time with their children and do timely evaluation. It's so important to make sure children in early years meet their developmental milestones. The significance of being a Bright Beginning Center is that the high level, high quality teachers training that we receive. Why? Because teachers may come from different backgrounds, right? So the ongoing and the peer support, we learn from each other being in the cohort. And the training itself is subject specific. Talk about the CDA training. They have to invest. Bright Beginning they have done a major investment to the center for teachers go through a 3 months to 4 months training and also classroom observation. We are able to share this knowledge with the parents. Understanding a lot of parents, when they still are in the struggling phase, trying to make do with their family, they didn't have the effort or time to think about childcare. And so the professional training will make sure that not just the teacher in the classroom activity, in the learning process, their children gain the knowledge and reach the milestone in all phases. You talk about cognitively, physical, and of course social skills. Think about the COVID. A lot of children, they've been isolated, and we actually pay more attention to their mental health when they return to classroom. And I know Bright Beginning, their professional training always is one step ahead of the social issues. So I have to say, our parents, they are so blessed because things they couldn't do or they just didn't have the time to do, the center came in as a solid partner to the growth of their kids. I myself actually came from early childhood background, so when I understand and learn more about Bright Beginning with the focus of quality childcare, it meant a lot to me. A lot of time, I myself have been a working mom. And I know how important it is to have our children receive quality care when we're at work. We don't have to worry about them, and later on we actually receive the notes, the recap of what's happening during the day. It just brings peace of mind to a working mom.